We have been going to schools. We don't distribute condoms,
yes,
but students come to us for condoms. Now, if a student comes to you as a counselor and tells you that I am sexually active, I have been in this for many years. I'm even a chorister. I am even an usher in church. I play key role. My father is this in church by this, but I have sex. Give me condom. As a counselor, you provide counseling and you provide services. You need to provide the person. It doesn't mean that you are encouraging him or her, but it is just that you need to be realistic, because she has, as a counselor, she has poured her heart or his heart to you that she needs it. You are a service provider. You need to provide services.
I'm talking about policy. Is it time for us to take a second look?
It is indeed time, and we are advocating now that we are still on the development of our HIV and AIDS policy, national policy. These are some of the policy dialogues. These are some of the policy dimensions that the country needs to look at, because the youth are sexually active. I have been in this business for a long time, and I tell you, if you talk to students, some have 3 boyfriends, some have 3 girlfriends. This is the time to look at condom as a policy.
Thank you.
For the youth.